How to use passport in Rise of Kingdoms. So a passport page is pretty much just used to migrate your city from your kingdom to whatever other kingdom you want to go to. This feature lets players move to a different server, which is a different kingdom, to join friends, find a stronger alliance maybe, or even start fresh in a more active kingdom. But each migration does require a certain number of passport pages depending on your power level. There will be rules that you are able to read and a few specifics since it pretty much depends on what progression you're on. So you can go ahead here to your world map, go to the little globe icon in the bottom right corner, and once you're there, you can choose what kind of kingdom you want to go to. Let's say to a season 1 kingdom. There's going to be rules that you're going to need to go for, so you're going to follow some immigration rules. But the more important rules is over here in the bottom left corner. You're gonna have to read all of this. Currently, to whichever kind of server you're going to, you'll know what to do. You don't have to read everything actually, you just need to read the section for the kind of server you're going to. You're gonna go to immigration over here, take a look at the other rules, since there will be the rules about your passport pages. So if you have sufficient passport pages and the number of passport pages required is determined by your power level, but you can use it for immigration. So that is technically where you can use your passport in Rise of Kingdoms. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.